Someone's wireless charging is not working on their Tucson, so I'll just do a bit of troubleshooting with them first. There's two types, by the way. So, by the way, actually, if you have the previous model of Tucson, so I mean from kind of 2019, 2020, let me know in the comments because I have a video that suits that. This is more for what they call the NX4 model from 2021 through 2024. So if you've got a wireless charging pad and an 8-inch screen, you'll have to go through this function here. So if you see here, I'm changing the information from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm scrolling downwards. Now I am going to go onto the other screen, so if you've got the bigger screen, I am going to move on to that the next part. So right, so what we do is we go across until we get to settings, and then all I'm doing is scrolling down through here. So I'm going to go into convenience, so I'm going to press this inwards on convenience, and then there is wireless charging system. So I either check it or uncheck it. So if it's checked, it'll work. If it's unchecked, it won't work. That's kind of pretty much it. And then I can toggle back out of that. Okay, let's say you have the Executive Plus, the Executive Plus even, or even the N line from 21 up as far as 24. You've got a bigger screen. So you don't go through this, you go through your screen for that. The reason is the settings are actually in here on these models. So again, wireless charging pad down through here. A little bit different on this one because it's a hybrid. If it was a manual, the wireless charging pad would be there. But anyway, right, so scroll across and I can press settings or setup, whichever one I want. And then I go to vehicle, and then I scroll up to convenience, and then I go to wireless charging system and I check it or uncheck it. Simple as that. So check it, it works. Uncheck it, it doesn't work. So there are the first things I would check if you've not got wireless charging working. The second thing is just make sure your phone has wireless charging, which I know sounds a bit silly, but sometimes that can be the issue. And the way to do that obviously is just get another phone that has wireless charging and try it. So if basically it's checked on and your phone and someone else's phone is working, and if no phones are working on it, then third thing is come to the garage, we'll have to troubleshoot. But check to make sure it's on, and check to make see does another phone work, because if another phone works, then you've got a phone problem. And then third thing, come to the garage. Thanks for watching.